large, the Democrats represent the working man and woman. But then you've got all these like middle-class people who vote Republican because they're fooled by the bullshit that's coming out of the mouths of most Republican politicians. And I mean, when you hear these Republicans who are like terrorists,
this is a little video blog for ChainsawCindy. She used to have a YouTube channel here. She's over on Blog Talk or Blog TV right now.
And I would hope that 9/11 woke up a lot of people.
I miss that girl.
These fear tactics. But 9/11 didn't
work. They didn't get what they
anyways, they wanted to continue a war all the way
about,
as far as they could.
Well, local cops.
Against
a few years back, I lived in Newbury, and I had a few run-ins with the chief of police. Well, he came into my store quite often.
The truth about extraterrestrials, the truth about organized religion.
The guy, let's just say, was a bit big for his britches.
Your soul is indestructible. You don't need a messiah.
Came a time when
your soul has always been
there was an emergency happening, and they tried to contact him, but he wasn't able to be contacted. Well, it turned out that he was working for another neighboring town part-time as a cop. Well, that's conflict of interest, and of course I started raising hell and whatnot. And, well, let's just say he ended up being dismissed from the town. About 4 years ago, I moved here to Bradford, and lo and behold, there's that police chief that was from Newbury. He's police chief of our town. I've run across him a couple of times since I've moved here. Doesn't seem to hold a grudge. Well, we're really going to find out this week, because even though we're working on legislation for constitutional carry, I'm finally saying the hell with it, and, well, filling out my concealed carry. Got a sweet 1911 coming, and it doesn't matter. I don't care if they know I carry. I'm carrying it for all legal purposes. Maybe after I get my license, I'll try to give the chief a flyer from the Oath Keepers. We'll see. Anyhow, that's just a little bit of nostalgia for tonight. Peace. Miss you, Cindy.